Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a bow tie chicken and broccoli Alfredo. So the first thing we've done, we've got our pot of boiling salted water over on the heat. We're ready to drop our pasta. We have our nice bow tie pasta here. Drop those in and cook them according to your package instructions. Alright, now over low heat, we're going to bring it up to medium now that we're ready to start. We're going to whisk together milk and cornstarch. We're going to heat this through until it just comes to a simmer. Then we're going to add cornstarch, and then we'll add cream cheese, and this will become our Alfredo sauce. I'm going to finish it with a little bit of parm. I'm going to go ahead and season this with a nice pinch of kosher salt. So we're going to let that come to a simmer. Give our pasta a stir now that it's hit the water. Our chicken has already been cooked and set aside. As I said before, just let this come to a simmer. I'm going to whisk it, make sure you've got all the lumps out. The cornstarch will act as our thickener. And give this just a couple of minutes. Alright, so our milk has come to just under a simmer. I'm going to add our chicken broth. Continue whisking. Also now going to add our cream cheese. Let that begin to melt. Add some garlic powder. Just allow your cream cheese to melt. Bring that back up to medium heat. We're going to cook our pasta 3/4 of the way and finish it in our sauce in the traditional way the Italians would do, so that your pasta is open and susceptible to acquiring new flavor when dropped into the sauce, and that way it'll soak up your sauce and be much more flavorful. So that's just about where we need it. We'll give it just a couple more minutes. We're going to let this cream cheese melt. Now, in the meantime, while we have all of this working on the stove, we've steamed broccoli in our steamer just until it turns nice and bright green, and then you want to pull it off and shock it either in an ice bath or put it into the fridge immediately to stop the cooking process so you don't end up with overcooked broccoli. You don't want brown broccoli, we want nice bright green broccoli. That should be the modus operandi for any steaming application. You really want to make sure that you don't over steam it or you'll end up with limp vegetables and the kids won't like them. So now you see that I've whisked this pretty constantly, and that's just to make sure that there are no lumps of cream cheese or cornstarch. It's thickened slightly, and our pasta should be just about where we want it to go. I'll turn the heat way down. Add a splash of your pasta water. Drain the rest. Add in your pasta. Also add in our chicken now to reheat. Add some of your parm. Save just enough to garnish with at the end. Lightly begin to combine that together. Alright, and to finish you want to add your broccoli that you steamed the very last minute. Mix it up, and then you're ready to plate and serve.